Hello, good day. This is my Nokia Lumia 521. It has some problems with the headphone jack. I'm going to show you. So as you can see, I've removed the cover and I put a piece of plastic right here because what the problem is, I have my headphones in, right? And go. And it would just shake all around, and when it is shaking, the music kinda cuts out. So I put a small piece of plastic to hold it, if you can see right there, so it doesn't shake around. So if you have this problem with Nokia Lumia 521, just slip in a small piece of plastic and it will hold this small part. It won't shake anymore. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you next time.